Hey guys, this is Mr. GADGETMIX. So in this video, I'm going to review the pTron Bassbuds Lite. If you're in the market for a really cheap Bluetooth stereo earphones, you should be definitely looking at these little kids. It comes in two colors. It comes in black and in white. I chose the white one because, for the obvious reasons, it looks pretty much like the Apple AirPods, and it costs 1/5 of its price. So how is it? It makes use of Bluetooth 5.0, which ensures that you get a really long run time. You can get up to 6 hours of continuous music playback from it, and it charges pretty quickly as well. If you charge it for 1.5 hours, you can easily get 5 hours of talk time and 6 hours of music played back. It has 400 mAh battery, and I found its range to be pretty good. In the box, you get the usuals like the charging cable, but I just use my micro USB charger for charging it faster, and you also get a extra earbuds. So you can use this in both stereo mode and mono mode, and it works just fine. Pairing was effortless. Just switch on the Bluetooth on your Android phone or iPhone and it will pair immediately. Just take the one of them, just take one of these out and it will go into discoverable mode. It's very effortless, just like the Apple AirPods. It comes with 1 year manufacturing warranty. How's the sound quality? Pretty good. The bass levels are really good. Much better than what I expected, especially at this price range. No wonder these are getting sold out so fast. I really like the fact that it works with both iOS and Android, and with my Windows PC as well. It had no trouble in pairing with my Windows computer as well. Very sure it will work with the Mac OS just fine. And that's all about it. I mean, these are perfectly usable Apple AirPod clones, and make sure you buy the white one because people are going to mistake it for AirPods from a distance. And it has these cool blue lights as well that look absolutely smashing in the dark. So that's all about it. Go buy it if I really love it. If you like this video, give us a like and share with your friends. Also say subscribe for more gadget reviews. Bye bye.